Happy New Year, y'all! That's right, it's officially 2023. Welcome to a new year. Welcome back to the channel. I'm that dude, King.Kieck, here to bring you my very first flight of 2023. So as far as the first flight of 2023 goes, man, I couldn't have asked for a better day to fly, man. It was probably about 39, 40 degrees, nice and sunny. And the spot that I had to rip was a pretty dope spot, and I hope, man, I just hope that I can get there to fly again. There's a lot of cameras and shit, and somebody got extra curious with me being in the area, so stick around for that. With this spot, too, it was really the first time I got to play around with a lot of proximity flying. Not even a lot. A lot for me, but not a lot to y'all. So, my New Year's resolution, fly more. Enjoy the video.
When it begins, it's flows, timid women show genitals, then it's go when it's presentable. Finish your women, some in this moment, diminish hoes, skin it, no gimmicks, rip finish, no grip, no limits, show. Call it what you want it, little finger my opponent, really seem to fire, don't it? One moment, I will demolish niggas with the rawest scriptures, y'all is just balls of shit in a stall and sit, this be the hardest pisser. Then a trapper tell me, my piss enhance her belly, but I chose to give her a dirty mouth like Lisa Lampanelli. Yes, she demanded jelly, but I re-ran the Kelly. I'm springing the yelly and it's swell because I slammed the belly. I'm a monster, on the mic when I'm on her. Have a motherfucker somber cause of ill shit that I conjure. Juggernaut ain't never conquered, if she wants for me I haunt her. Wondering where we gone, sir, Oriental, we bunker. Yeah, I am raps, big swinging, ding-a-ling, like I'm saying. I am everything you ever were afraid of. I am raps, big swinging, ding-a-ling, like I'm saying. Yeah, you rappers bore me, I wanna kill you, do it for me, and I'll
it's a brutal system, assume position, you superstition that you a Christian. School religion is a crude depiction. They can blind your hearing, they can mute your vision. When the dirt burns, slither an earthworm, leave you like MJ with a hit and a burnt perm. Soon to be unity, murder me, what could you do to me? This is foolery, I'm a hooligan, leaving you drooling when I'm beating you brutally, slapping your bitch and taking your jewelry. Your mama crying when she reading your eulogy. Let me slow down, put your dough down. I got enough flow for it to go round. This is profound, you a pro clown with a coke frown and the old sound. I'm like selling the heroin and giving the needle. I'm in your cerebral, this wigger is evil. Limit the people, pissing the cathedral. Avoiding your mission like a position that's fetal. My impolite stares, give them nightmares. Burn them like the boys, give them white hairs. Trapping and shucking your ass, suffering succotash. I fuck with the gutter trash, don't fuck with the upper class. Sellers and buyers, political liars, the drug suppliers, the fake messiahs. Is it negative energy hiding their identity? Every enemy wishing they were shooting me like a Kennedy. I spit it, Satan, and I kick his face and make him lick the pavement for misbehaving. You got a vendetta, better be ready to forget it. Bullets is headed to your head and embedded in slug meted. I be tripping on my ego like a motion McNack. I'm making dollars like a Paris and Eric. I'm back, check it, yeah, I am raps, big swinging, ding-a-ling, like I'm saying.